Hi, I'm Kim from Keepfitkim, and I'd like to say a big hi to the new subscribers. Notice there've been a few more today. Thank you, ladies and gents. So just watch out, if you're wearing bare feet, make sure there's nothing sharp you can stand on. Let's march through the feet, right, left. So as always with my workouts, none of the feet movements are very difficult. If you find it too much at any time, just make the feet smaller, that's fine. If you want to make it harder, just make the moves bigger, okay? I'm going to add a few arm movements later. If they're too complex for you, just leave them out. Let's take it 2 forward, 2 back, so 2 forward. Just stay facing me. Anytime I move forward and back, if you haven't got the space, just turn on your mat. Workouts are all designed to be done in the space of a fitness mat. Keep those shoulders relaxed, arms swinging, particularly if you're trying to get your step count up. Hold it on the spot. We're going to do 3 steps and a tap, so 1, 2, 3 and a tap. We're keeping it low for now, so it's just a toe tap. And your little arm movement, just swinging the arms around. Let's take it from the top, just marching through on the spot. Two forward, 2 back, 2 to me, and back. And again, forward and back. Three and tap. That's 3, 2, 1, 2, tap on the floor in front. Don't worry if you can't get the arm movement, it's really not important. Just do what feels right for you. Keep those feet moving and do it at a speed that's right for you. So if you're finding that you can't make it to the end, when you try these workouts, if you can only manage half, just make the move smaller. Try and keep the feet moving, just lift the heels maybe. Pace yourself so you can make the full 15 minutes. Well done. Last time. We're going to take it to heel digs in front. I'll turn so you can see some heel digs. Just swinging the arms. Do what feels good. So I'm making mine into a little bicep curl at the front. If you just want to swing the arms, that's fine too. You've got to be comfortable with what you're doing. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can add a little bit of an attitude. If you want to make it easier, just keep it small. You're still getting a workout. If that's hard for you, then it's enough. March it through. Just keep those feet moving. I'm going to change to lead on the other leg, so I'm going to go left, right. Let's pick up the beat, left, right. Doesn't matter if you're not on the left foot, but I'm going to do the same things starting on the other leg. Doesn't make much difference, but with the forward and back, you're putting the weight on a different leg. Let's take it 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. Well done. Think about keeping that head up. Pulling in your belly maybe. Ooh. Hold it on the spot, 3 steps and tap. 3, 2, 1, 2, tap. And make it a bit bigger with the arms. You can push to the side. If that's confusing you, it's confusing me too. So don't worry too much. I think I'm just going to stick with the swing. Let's take it to heel digs. So I'm not jumping, I'm just adding a little bounce, keeping my knee, supporting knee soft. Makes it a lot more energetic. Just use a little bit more energy. March it through, left, right, left, right. 2 forward, 2 back. On the spot, 3 and tap. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 2, 1 and a tap. You can do that little push if you want. I'm leaving that one out today. My brain's not with it today for that. Ready for those heel digs. Always move it a little bit around the room if you want. Don't have to. Keep it on the spot, depends what space you've got. Let's take the legs out to the sides, so it's touching out with the toe. A little bend in the middle, that's all I'm doing. And again, you can stay facing me, or you can just move it around. Depends how interesting you want to make it. Marching on the spot. 2 forward, 2 back. And again. On the spot, 3 and tap. Heel digs. And again. So you don't have to move it around the room, you can just hold it on the spot, make it smaller, lose the arms or keep the arms really small if you want. Music does that regularly. So keeping the steps really small now, hardly lifting my heels. And in, out and in. I'm lifting my elbows up, feeling that in the back of the arms. Position, elbows are in line with the shoulders, so they're not forward, they're out to the side. Don't have to do the arms if you don't want. Marching on the spot, slow, slow. So really hardly lifting the heels at all. It's like a little jogger's walk. I'm not lifting the knees very high. It's not a very energetic move, it's just very fast. If that's too much, just take it here. So there's nothing to stop you. And a little bit of attitude, keeping it slow. So if you're doing the faster move all the way through, let's alternate them. So slow, 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 slow. 4, 3, 2, and fast. Half time, slow, 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 slow. Double time. Touch out to the side, nice and slow, and in. Elbows high if you wish, and work the back of the arms. Little march. Half time. Double time. I hope you got what I went there rather than what I did. Half time. And fast. Just about lifting my feet off the floor, half time, little toe tap. So you can do it at the speed that suits you, so half time if you need to, or really is up to you. Let's take the toes out to the side, so tap and in, elbows high. So although the music sounds fast, it doesn't have to be a really fast workout. March it on the spot. Half time if you prefer. Let's take it slow. Toe taps faster if you want. Keep those feet Slowing it down now. Let's just take a little side step. I'm grabbing some water. If it's a bit warm today, it is here. I'm going to have a little bit of water, keep myself well hydrated. If you don't have some with you, please grab a glass of water after you finish. Keep those feet moving. Let's do 2 steps. Hadn't intended that. My water bottle's over there. Again, this works harder, or it is harder if you take bigger steps. If that's too much for you, just keep it here. If it hurts your ankles, hurts your knees, keep it really small. Singles for 4, 3, 2, double. Singles for 4, 3, 2, double, double. Singles, double. Singles, doubles, singles, double, singles, singles, double. Just 2 singles this time, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, singles and double. Think you've got that now? If you haven't, just do your own thing. Keep it as 2 side steps or singles, whatever feels right for you. Again, the size of the steps is up to you. Whoa, I can't talk and do it at the same time. Brain's not in gear today at all. Let's march it through. Right, left this time. Two forward, 2 back. Can you do a tap change? Tap change. So I'm going onto the left leg. Don't worry if that didn't mean anything to you. We're only doing it the once. Just stay on the other leg. Marching on the spot for 4, 3, 2 and a tap. 4, 3, 2 and a tap. If you want to, you can make it a little bit forward and back. It is up to you. Again, it depends how hard you want to work out. If you want to make it harder, you can add some arms up or in front and back. Just take those heel digs out in front. So just starting to cool the body down now. So if you found that easy, you can keep on at a similar level even. If you're really out of breath now, really keep this movement smaller. I'm doing heel digs. Let's go to toe taps now. Toe tap. Keep those arms smaller. We're still swinging them, but making it a lot smaller. Take the feet out to the side, just touching out. Four to the right for 4, 3, 2, and left. Keep a slight bend in the supporting leg. If you're finding this too much for your balance, then stay with singles side to side. But this is really good for working the standing leg. Let's try 8. And again, if that doesn't work for you, go back to singles or 4 each side. 4, 3, 2, other side. So you're going to really feel it on the outside of the standing leg. Really good for your balance. Let's march it through. Right. So we're keeping it really small here, barely lifting the feet up off the floor. 2 forward, 2 back. Again, keep it small. 3 and tap. March. Hold it here. Then left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. 2 forward, 2 back. We're nearly there. Hold in there. If you're struggling, make the steps smaller. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. Heel digs. Side to side. Just start to take the legs out behind instead next. So just down. A little tap behind. Really be aware of what's going on with your back. We don't want to be arching back. Bend your knees slightly if you need to. Taking that right leg back. Both feet pointing forward, little calf stretch. So watch you haven't let your heel turn in. If you're struggling with your balance, take your legs wider that way. Here you're going to wobble, just pushing that heel down. Leaning slightly forward so that you're relaxing your lower back. Really opening up across the upper back. Let's change legs, just a little stretch through the calf. Again, watch your balance, watch that back foot, have a look back. If you need to hold on to something, that's fine too. Well done, folks. Great to see you here again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.